So atsedit is a small utility in order to look inside the binary header of a file. So we can drag and drop the RTS file here, and we can make changes, but it is not very intelligent to do this here. You should maybe change it in the XML file. However, you can have a deep inspection and compare the values with the values in the XML file. So we can, for example, look for the MFS sensor, and we see that on channel 2 we should have the 06, that's an old coil, and that's the same here. If you work on raw data, you can change the values accordingly. You can check whether the chopper was on. For example, here for the high frequency job, the chopper was off. So if you have questions whether the coil was well conditioned or not, you can look directly into the binary header. In the coordinates tab, you get a possibility to run OpenStreetMap, for example, and look, if you have Google, you can do similar and copy and paste this to Google Maps, for example. System data commands, and there's a small tool here where you, for example, if you plan a survey and you want to record 65 kilohertz, for example, with 5 channels, then you can check for 1 second, it's a megabyte. If you record this for 1 hour, it's 4 gigabytes, for example. If I make changes, the software will try to make changes to the XML file, and as we can see, the date has changed. The ASCII editor now shall reload, but it doesn't do. Let's do this now. And if we go back to channel 2, then we should see in the tab that the serial number has changed, but this is not a good idea. So be careful when you make changes to the binary data. This is more or less an emergency tool in order to see what is really inside. Nothing more, nothing else.